In this video, I want to have a look at commission. So people who work in sales are sometimes paid by commission rather than on a wage or a salary. So that means rather than just getting a set amount of money for the year or for the number of hours that they work, their pay is based on how much they sell or the value of what they sell. So commission is calculated based on a percentage of the value of the items sold or the income that's made. So some workers are also paid a retainer. So that's a fixed amount that they get regardless of their sales. So even if they don't sell anything, they still get this small amount of money. So our first example says a car salesperson is paid a retainer of $350 per week. So even if they don't sell anything, they're still going to get that $350. On top of that, they're also getting a commission of 2.5% of the value of any sales that he makes. So we're asked to figure out how much money he's going to earn in a week when he sells $5,600 worth of cars. So the first thing we know is that he's always going to get this $350. So even if he doesn't sell anything, he's getting that. But in addition to that, he's also going to get 2.5% of the sales that he makes, which was our $56,000. So that 2.5%, if we write that as a decimal, it's going to be 0.025. So that's taking our 2.5 and dividing it by 100. So we're going to have our 0.025 times by our 56,000 to find 2.5% of the sales. So that answer to that is going to be his total income for the week. So that's going to be $1,750. Our second example is a little bit different. So we've got a real estate agent who receives 3% commission on the first $9,000 of sales she makes, $90,000 of sales she makes, and then 1.5% commission on anything above that. So we're asked to calculate her commission for selling a property worth $570,000. So on the first $90,000 of that, she's earning 3%. So 3% is 0.03 as a decimal. So we're going to go 0.03 times that 90,000. And what's left over after that $90,000, she's going to get 1.5% commission on. So 1.5% is 0.015 as a decimal. So we're going to go plus 0.015 times, and we need to figure out what's left over. So we've already got 90,000, and we need to figure out the remainder. So we're going to go 570,000 minus that 90,000, which would give us 480,000. So when we put that calculation in our calculators, we're going to end up with $9,900. So that's her income for this week. So that example is a little bit different because she didn't have a retainer. So if she didn't make any sales, then she wouldn't be earning any income. All right, so there's a few examples on commission.